Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix fitness app not working in iPhone. How to fix it. So the first fix is go to settings. Check privacy and security settings. For this, go to settings. Scroll down and tap on privacy and security. From here, tap on motion and fitness. Now from here, ensure both motion and fitness tracking are turned on. Make sure both are turned on. The second fix is verify internet connection. Try opening a website to check your internet connection in Safari or any other tab. If your internet connections are good, if not working, ensure aeroplane mode is turned off if internet is not working. The third fix is force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button once, down once, hold the right side key until the Apple logo appears and power it off. The last and fourth fix is to reset all settings. For this, go to settings, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode again, tap on reset all setting and reset your iPhone. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.